welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal Karmakar and in today's video we are going to talk about some pictures that I recently took for my Instagram, and the inspiration varies from Instagram to YouTube to TikTok. Now, there are so many videos out there where people try the TikTok photography hacks and rate them. Well, this video is somewhat like that. The only difference is in this video we are going to only talk about the successful photo ideas that you can try at your home using your mobile phone. I have done this kind of video in the past. You can watch it by tapping here, or the link will be in the description box below. Don't mind this was just a part of the photos I was clicking. So let's start with very basic, no makeup look. I love those pictures which you can click without getting ready, because this takes a lot of time. Also, if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and you can comment anything, literally. Okay, so the first picture is inspired by this TikTok by this very talented man. I'll link his TikTok in the description box below in case you want to check it out. So the procedure is very simple. You just grab some pieces of papers and paste it on any side of your face, and then just click pictures in front of any kind of light. I clicked in front of my DIY softbox that I recently made. Okay, this is coming off. This is my makeshift light box for the rainy season, and this is a chunni, a dark pink chunni. And what we are going to do is we are going to put this over this like two-fold. And it's something I recently saw on Sejal Kumar's video, where she talks about how you can turn any light into a colorful light, and you can see like it's giving pink light already, and that's what we are going to work with. So even if you don't have a light box like this, you can use any CFL bulb or LED bulb you have at your home. And it worked out like crazy. You can see the pictures on your screen right now. Now the second one is very easy. You just need to grab flowers or some flowers and stand in front of a plain wall. I think that will give you more aesthetic look. Or you can just stand in front of like some chart papers and everything. I'm not going to talk about background because we have already talked about backgrounds in this video, right? So we are not going to talk about backgrounds here, but yeah, this is how I click the pictures and here are the results. Also, don't forget to rate the pictures, and if you are going to try them out and post them on Instagram, then don't forget to tag me. I would love to see what you got. Next one was one of my favorites. It's the cutout idea from the same guy, but I actually could not make the perfect keyhole shape, so I ended up with the heart shape. And I think the pictures turn out really cute. You could also do this with your pet, your loved ones, and Father's Day is coming, so maybe bring your father in the frame as well. I like this picture. I like how it brings the whole attention towards you and everything is just blurred out. Even if your camera doesn't support that blurry effect, you can do that in post edit. So I think I like this picture quite a lot. So the next picture is again inspired by the same guy. It's taking like 3 leaves and making a triangle, and your camera is going to see through that triangle. Yeah, something like that. Now since it's monsoon already, I think this picture or this whole vibe is going to make total sense, especially if you spray or sprinkle some droplets, water droplets over the leaves. So you need 3 leaves and 3 toothpicks, and this is how you are going to make a triangle out of it. So you could just close your eyes and peek one eye out of it, or just pose there with your whole face. Whatever goes with you, whatever works for you, do that, and you'll be able to achieve some good aesthetic pictures. Another picture that I really loved was using this masking tape, where I write with a marker over it anything that you like. I am writing hope here. And now you can take some really small pieces of flower, leaves, or anything of that sort, and then just make a collage of it and paste it on top of your skin. So first I tried using it over my hands, but later I placed it on my lips, and here are the results. Okay, the last one is my favorite, that is the levitation picture, and I think most of you actually clicked on the video for that picture. I actually clicked the levitating picture using a phone, and it's very simple. Let me show you how I did it. So first you need 2 pictures of the same like background. So you will need a tripod for this. Place a tripod and click a photo without anything in the frame, and then with a timer you can click yourself. Now I used open camera for 30 seconds timer, because you definitely need some time to click this, and I am going to edit the picture for you guys, because in case you are not aware of how to edit it, I'll record the screen as well and I will share it with you guys. So first of all, open Snapseed and import the picture. So first you need to import the blank picture, and then go to tools and double exposure and add the picture that you clicked the second time. Now make the blending mode as normal and bring the opacity to 100% and press on the tick button. Now go to this section and view edits, and here go to the brush section. Now what you need to do is first just draw anything and everything on the whatever is there. Now what you need to do is take a brush, like make it 0 and erase the parts that you don't want. So this actually takes some time, but take your time and erase the parts that you actually don't want. Now the whole purpose of making this video is how you can actually click a bunch of pictures for your Instagram feed in one day. Now there are some tips I would definitely give you guys, and number one, have some inspiration in front of you so that you don't waste your time looking for inspiration around. And if you don't know where to go for inspiration, you can head over to my Pinterest mood board. The link is in the description box below. My second tip would be always experiment. Do not fear to experiment with the ideas you already have, the inspiration you already have, because why not? You might end up getting some really interesting pictures. And number 3 and my last tip would be dress according to your Instagram feed. Was it lame? Was it very common? I don't know, but I think it might help some people out there. Like right now, my Instagram feed, I am trying to make it somewhat red. That's why I'm wearing this gorgeous red gown, kurti, I don't know what it is. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment what you want to see on my channel, and if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.